Hello, everybody. A very good evening. I'll take a quick, I would say, introduction of myself. I'll just take your 10-minute time to introduce and I would say explain things that I've jotted down. Then I will allow you, I would say, request you all to pick up your questions, write it in the chat box or unmute and ask, and I'll try to answer each one of your question. Okay. Unlike all other webinars, unlike all other video lectures, it won't be like a one-way conversation. I won't be sharing some boring PPTs and all. Instead, I'm here to answer all your questions. So let's begin. My name is Swati Gupta and I'm a chartered accountant. I have been mentoring to CA and ACCA students, especially for IFRS standards, since last 4 years. And yes, I am mentoring students worldwide. We have recently had a batch where we had students all across the world. We have many students from Dubai, Nigeria, Israel, and many more places. Um, okay, let's begin. Now, there are two, three questions that come a lot to me. I'll try to answer them once. I'll try to clarify them once. Okay. I request Deepak to please, I would say, off your video. Okay, good, good, good. Um, I will give you a chance to unmute and ask. There are many questions that come along. I'll try to answer one by one. So first question is, what is ACCA degree? What is ACCA DipIFR certification and which one to choose? So ACCA degree course is a 3-year course. ACCA degree course is a 3-year course. It has 13 subjects. ACCA degree course has 13 subjects. This means you have to appear for 13 subjects. There will be 3 levels. They are divided into 3 levels: knowledge level, skill level, and professional level. Whereas ACCA DIP IFRS is one, I would say, certification course wherein there is only one single subject. One subject. Okay. Now, it's like an international chartered accountant. For India, we have chartered accountancy degree, but okay, in foreign countries, we have ACCA degree, which is like global chartered accountant. Going ahead, I'll share you a quick story. Students who become chartered accountant in India have a very in-depth knowledge. Nobody can challenge their knowledge. I hope you all agree with this. But um, CA degree is not acceptable in many foreign countries. Like for example, I had one of the students and they shifted to Canada. Now therein they have to do the CPA because the CA is not well recognized. They had a very good job in India, but they had to shift, and therefore that person had to do that 2-year degree again in order to become eligible to get a job in foreign country. So if you're looking forward to take a job in foreign country, or maybe you want to work from India but you want to go ahead with international work profile, you want to handle international accounting job roles, then in that case ACCA degree will be, I would say, a foolproof plan. There are 13 subjects, and in ACCA Diploma in IFRS there is only one subject. There are some eligibility criteria that you need to see. On the basis of existing qualifications, you might get some exemptions. What are those 13 subjects? 3 levels. Level 1 is knowledge level, level 2 is skill level, and level 3 is professional level. At knowledge level, we have 3 papers. Each of them is, I would say, on-demand paper. You can pick up any paper at your point in time. If you feel like, no, I am ready to give my exam in June attempt, or maybe in February, in March, then you can book your exam 1 month before and give your exam. On the other hand, skill level papers are conducted every quarter. This is on-demand paper. This is on-demand paper. This means if you are even prepared in January, you can book it and attempt it. If you are ready in February, you can book your exam then and there. Here the exams are conducted quarterly. Whereas professional exams are also conducted quarterly. Going ahead, Going ahead, if we talk about IFRS, this financial reporting FR subject has IFRS in it. We have to learn IFRS conceptually for clearing FR paper. And for clearing audit and assurance also, we need to have a very good knowledge of IFRS. Coming ahead, at professional level, SBR is the paper where you need to learn IFRS. It is little advanced level of IFRS and the questions, whereas FR is little, I would say, medium level of questions are asked regarding IFRS. But in both of these subjects, you need a very good understanding of all the international standards, that is international accounting standard as well as international financial reporting standard. On the basis of your existing qualification, you can get some exemptions. Let me tell you how. Example, if you are just the 12th graduate, you have just cleared 12th exam, okay, then you have to give all 13 papers, 13 out of 13, no exemptions are provided. But in case maybe you have BBA plus MBA finance, you are a graduate, you have a graduation degree plus MBA finance, then you get 3 exemptions. That means knowledge level is exempted and you are required to give only 10 papers out of 13 papers. Okay, if you are a BCom graduate, you will get 4 exemptions. You are only required to give 9 out of 13 exams. Okay, next, if you have cleared CA inter, this means IPCC, CA inter, both the groups, then you will be required to give only 8 exams. 5 exemptions are given. If you have BCom plus CA inter clearance, maybe you are stuck with some CA final paper, you are unable to clear it, then definitely you can go ahead with ACCA degree, BCom plus IPCC. Herein you will get 6 exemptions out of 13 papers. You will be required to give only 7 exams. If you are a CMA, cost management accountant, and having a practice of, I would say, experience of less than 5 years, then 6 exams are required. If you are a cost management accountant and you have a, I would say, practice experience of more than 5 years, then you can go ahead. There will be exemptions given and only 4 exams are required. Similarly, for chartered accountant, if you are already a chartered accountant, you are only required to give 4 papers, that is professional level paper. 2 papers are compulsory, SBR and SBL, whereas there are 4 other papers. We can opt for any 2 out of these 4. Give me a quick thumbs up if you are clear with what is ACCA degree and how the pattern works. Who should take this up? Who is, I would say, looking forward to become, I would say, a global accountant in foreign country, who is looking forward to settle down in foreign country, then they can easily check this ACCA. We require 50% to clear the exam. We require 50% to clear exam. 50% is passing marks. It is globally accepted. It is globally accepted in approximately 150 plus countries. Yes. Somebody's on unmute. Please go ahead. Skill level is MCQ type. No, skill level is not entirely MCQ type. Instead, we have a combination. Like if I talk about FR paper, okay, 60 marks are for, I would say, MCQ, whereas objective ones, and 40 mark paper is subjective paper. That means you are required to prepare proper balance sheet, proper PL with proper working notes. So it's a 60-40 ratio. 60% we have objective questions, whereas approximately 40% we have subjective questions wherein entire formats and workings are required. Tejashri, are we clear? You can drop your questions in your chat box if it is related to ongoing topic. I'll pick it up simultaneously. Okay, super. And for professional level, and there is no MCQ. There will be 4 questions and each question will be of 25 marks. It is globally accepted and 50% for passing, globally accepted. It is online exam. Online exam. So for writing the entire balance sheet and PL, you will be given attached response area wherein spreadsheet and word processors are given. When we go ahead with exam pattern, I generally try to give a walkthrough of the CBE portal, computer-based exam portal, how it looks like, how you need to take care while attempting your exam paper. Going ahead, I've talked about exemptions. Anybody, any question? There are many, I would say every day I receive many DMs asking me if I'm exempt or not, how many papers to attempt, etc. Anybody, any question regarding ACCA degree? Yes, Ashish, please ask.
Yeah, I was asking that I am a commerce graduate and I have done MBA in finance. So,
Okay, you
how
are a
many
BCom.
exemptions will I get? Yes.
Correct. Okay, so if you are a BCom graduate,
Yes.
you will get 4 exemptions.
And I mean, experience in industry or the same profile doesn't matter in this case.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't, even if you are a fresher or maybe you have experience, doesn't matter over here. If you are a BCom graduate, you will get 4 exemptions out of 13. You will be required to sit for 9 exams.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Swati.
Sure. Okay, anybody, any other question? Please raise hand, please ask question if it is specially related to ACCA degree course.
Ma'am, in ACC, how many subject is here?
There are total 13 subjects. If you want to go ahead with ACCA degree course, if you want a chartered accountancy course which is globally accepted, then there are 13 papers, total 13 papers.
Ma'am,
Okay,
as an example, in a CA there are 3 levels of examination.
correct. Similarly, here
Yeah.
also there are 3 levels. This is your foundation level, this is your inter level, and this is your final level.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what is your current qualification, Chirag?
Ma'am, BCom and CA foundation both will come.
BCom and CA foundation. So for you,
Yes.
again, if we talk about BCom, you will get 4 exemptions out of 13 papers. So you will be required to write only 9 exams.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, paper name, please.
Paper
Subject
name?
name you see.
Okay. So see, here the points are given. I will share this PDF. Do not worry. So you will be exempt with all the 3 papers at knowledge level. That is business technology, management accounting, and financial accounting. These will be exempt. And sorry, and your law paper will be exempt. That is, this corporate law will be exempted. Correct? So these 4 papers and law paper will be exempted. Chirag, are we clear?
Yes, ma'am. I'm clear.
Good. Remaining PM, tax, FR, audit and assurance, FM, and 4 papers at professional will be required to be written. Okay, there is another hand raised. Okay, I'll pick up questions. Deepak Shrivas, please go ahead.
In case
Nikhil,
of if I'm completed MBA in finance, then how many papers will get exempt? Only
MBA
4 or more?
finance. Okay,
Yeah.
MBA finance. And what is your any other degree? A graduation
No.
degree?
Yeah, graduate BCom is also there, and after that MBA finance.
Okay, if you have BCom plus MBA finance, you will get 4 papers exemption.
Only 4?
Yes, only 4 out of 13.
Okay.
Okay, similar to graduation plus MBA finance. Got it? Okay, next. Nikhil, please go ahead. You wanted to ask something? Nikhil, please go ahead. Okay, till then I'm taking text questions, chat questions. I am appearing for my first professional level exam in March and I got 9 exemptions. So is there any criteria where I can get exempted papers if I want to? Okay, do you want to appear for this exam? The papers for which you have got exemption? Madhu, Mishra, please confirm. Uh, and why so? Why so? Why do you want to attempt any paper when it is exempted? Madhu, any reason? Just to get an idea of the syllabus. Then you can quickly download any PDF I will share for the respective subject, and you can take an overview of the same. Also, answering your question, yes, you can attempt any paper for which you are getting exemption. What you can do, while claiming exemption, do not claim exemption for that particular subject. Example, if you're getting exemption, for example, for audit and assurance, but you feel like, no, I want to study audit and assurance and get a very good grip over the concept because my job role will be regarding audit. Example, then what you can do, while claiming exemption, claim exemptions for only these four, and do not claim exemption for audit and assurance, and write that paper instead. Madhu Mishra, yes, it can be done. And simply, while claiming exemption, don't claim exemption for audit and assurance. Madhu, does it make sense? Is it okay? I'll pick up questions. Okay, good. Next, Bhagyashri says, I am a fresher chartered accountant, which is more beneficial to do IFRS or ACCA. Okay, have you got any job role yet? Okay, are you looking forward to shift, I would say, shift to foreign country? Bhagyashri, yes or no? Are you planning to shift? Yes. Okay. See, with chartered accountancy, both are suitable. Okay, if you want to spare only 2-3 months or maybe for like 6 month duration, then you can go ahead with diploma in IFRS, because chartered accountancy degree is also well accepted. Please tell me, in which country are you planning to shift? Mamta, I'll pick up your question. Please wait. Bhagyashri, not fixed. Okay. So what you can do in order to answer this question, I would say let's make a check. What happens? Like CA degree is accepted. We have, I would say, a contract, okay, with foreign institutes also. So example, we have a contract with Australia. So if you shift to Australia, our Indian chartered accountancy degree is also accepted over there. But example, if you shift to US, or maybe if you shift to Canada, okay, there our chartered accountancy degree is not acceptable. Correct? So if possible, try to figure out which country are you looking forward. If we have a contract with that country, then no need to do entire degree once again. Okay? But if you are planning to shift to a country where a chartered accountancy, Indian chartered accountancy degree is not profoundly accepted, then I would highly suggest go ahead with ACCA degree course. Bhagyashri, okay? Good. Otherwise, if CA degree is accepted and you just need a global job, maybe you want to work in Dubai companies from India, maybe you want to work in Big Fours, okay, but you want to have a very good sound knowledge of IFRS, then take diploma in IFRS course. Got it? Good. Sure. Next, Tejashri, if I have cleared diploma in IFRS exam, then in ACCA exam, yes, definitely yes. Tejashri, if you have cleared DipIFRS certification course from ACCA, then yes, you get exemption from FR subject. You will get exemption from FR subject if you have got diploma in IFRS certification. Which is more beneficial, DipIFRS or ACCA, if I want to settle outside India? Again, it depends in which country are you planning to. Tejashri, in which country are you planning to? If we already have, I would say, okay, what is your existing degree, Tejashri? Not fixed, ma'am. Okay, BCom. See, in this case, if your country is not fixed and you only have BCom, then go ahead with diploma in IFRS, learn international financial reporting standards, okay? Because this will help you to clear FR, this will give you exemption, also this will help you to clear SBR. The diploma in IFRS syllabus and SBR syllabus are exact same. I would say 95% of the syllabus is exact same. The paper pattern is quite a lot same. So it would be easier to crack these both exams. So pick up DipIFRS, it will add another certification in your resume that you have deep knowledge of IFRS as well as you have ACCA degree if you pursue it later. Tejashri, fine? Okay, good. Next, Madhu, just to get an idea of the syllabus. Okay, is there any time frame to clear 9 papers for ACCA? No. Even you can pick 2 or 3 papers in 1 quarter, or maybe you can pick 1 paper in 1 quarter, or maybe you can try to clear 1 paper in 2 quarters. Okay, no time limit is there. You can pick up any combination. Even you can pick up tax and FR together, FR and AA together, FM and PM together. Any combination can be picked up. Unlike CA we have a bundling effect. We have to clear entire 4 subject, I would say the entire combo has to be cleared. Otherwise, the group we have to reattempt paper. There is a group concept in CA. In this ACCA, there is no grouping concept. Even if you fail in tax, but if you clear FR, it's fine. You just have to reset for taxation. Ravinder, is it okay? So it all depends upon your pace, how your work allows. If your work is flexible, if you have a disciplined time schedule, then you can easily crack your exam, 1 exam every quarter. My general advice is you should pick up 1 exam in 1 quarter. My advice is pick 1 exam in 1 quarter. This is how you get enough time to, I would say, understand concepts, practice question answers, and clear the exam in first attempt without any, I would say, failure. So at least 3 months is required to clear 1 paper. So approximately to clear 9 papers, you will require 2 years and 3 months approximately. Okay. Next, Kasim Survey is asking, hi, this is Kasim Survey from UAE. Hello. If I want to do the certification in IFRS, what is the duration of IFRS course and fees and syllabus? Yes, I'll come to that. Firstly, if I talk about preparation of IFRS, it takes approximately 2.5 months, approximately like 10 to 12 weeks to understand the concepts and complete the syllabus along with relevant question answer practice. Okay, it takes approximately 2.5 months, 10 to 12 weeks to complete the syllabus. Then I generally do not take 2-3 batches. Instead, I try to start batch in time so that we have enough time to complete syllabus. We have enough time to practice past year paper. Every week we conduct doubt solving session the way we are having it right now. I pick up questions if you have any conceptual, numerical and all. So it will take 2.5 months, approximately 10 to 12 weeks to complete syllabus, and then 1 additional month is required to practice past year papers. Here, if I talk about fees, ACCA fees, registration fees is approximately 3,000 rupees, and in order to book your exam, it would be separate, 15,000 approximately per paper. So for sitting for the exam, you have to pay 15,000 fees to ACCA. Okay, and now the tuition fees is separate. The way we take tuitions, so if you want to learn from any tutor, or maybe if you choose me to guide you to be a part of your learning journey, then in that case the tuition fees is separate. I will provide PDF notes completely for each and every session. You will get access to live lectures as well as video lectures. The validity will be for 15 months. So even if you miss any lecture today, you will have access to the same for next 15 months. So even if you're not planning for June, maybe due to any reason you drop that attempt, still you will have access for December attempt also. Okay, also on request, we generally shift students, existing students, to new batch in case if they have missed and were not able to sit for the attempt. Okay, Kasim? The syllabus we have to read, can I get PDF file guidelines? Okay, good. I didn't understand your question. Which PDF guideline? Definitely, if there will be any amendments coming up, as soon as they are updated on ACCA website, I will inculcate the same in the syllabus itself. So if the live lectures are going on, it will be updated. Maybe in case if you have completed syllabus in 3 months, and now in the 4th month we have got some exemption, we have got some new technical article, okay, which is very relevant for exam purpose, they will be uploaded, okay, in the form of video lecture. Definitely, yes. Do not worry. The courses will be automatically, you will get the most updated one with all the question answers. Kasim, did you get all answers or is it pending? Okay, good. The tuition fees is separate, and also students who are attending this webinar, and we are starting a new batch on this Monday itself. So if you are interested, if you want thorough guidance from my end, then you can definitely join. We will give a special coupon code for students who are attending webinar. Okay, you can use this and you can register yourself by end of today. It will be valid for today. Good. Okay, I'm really looking forward to see you guys in the live lecture, because I really have fun taking all your questions and answering them. Even each lecture, like whatever video lecture we are having, we will be having a two-way conversation. I don't generally just speak on my end and take and ignore you all. No, instead, like I would say, my USP, I would say the best part is I try to simplify concepts as much as possible. I try to pass journal entry for each and every small topic. And secondly, I take up all your questions, whether it is numerical, practical, maybe you're dealing with a client and you're stuck with some problem. I try to pick that up also and solve it. Okay, good. I'm qualified. Mamta is asking, I'm qualified CA having experience of 9 years. Which course to do? Mamta, if you're students who already have a chartered accountancy degree, who already have a CMA, cost management accountant degree, then for them, I advise just take a certification course. This will upskill yourself. You only have to invest 3-4 months in it, and you will get an I would say upgrade to your resume also. So Mamta, if you are already a chartered accountant, already having 9 years of experience, so you do not need any other degree, another additional degree to prove yourself. Students who do not have an existing sound degree, I suggest go ahead with a full 3-year degree. Okay, but if you're already a qualified chartered accountant, you do not require any additional degree to prove yourself. Similarly, see, I am a chartered accountant. If I have IFRS knowledge, does it make sense? Does it matter to you whether I have ACCA degree or not? No. So yes, CA course is quite, I would say, aggressive. If you have cleared that, it is itself a proof that you have sound knowledge. Okay, good. Next, not fixed. Okay, sure. Thank you, not fixed. Okay, Kasim, I've answered your question also again. Chirag, study material where from we get, ma'am, by institute. See, there are two things. If I talk about study material, ACCA has its own study hub. ACCA has its own study hub. Okay, it has been recently launched since last 1 year. Before that, it was not there. Entire, I would say, syllabus, entire content is uploaded over there in the soft copy form. So you can use that and refer them. Apart from this, ACCA has two publications. Apart from this, ACCA has two publications, that is two publications which nowadays they are removing their rights, and they are saying that we are not taking any responsibility of these publishers. But if I talk about there are two publications majorly which are there in the market, Kaplan and BPP. Okay, so the concepts remain same. The IFRS concepts cannot change. Okay, so we will refer BPP kit for concepts and for questions, but I will also take up questions from Kaplan kit. So we will understand concepts from BPP kit, and then we will practice questions right after each and every topic from both Kaplan and BPP kit. Okay, Chirag, give me a quick thumbs up. Are we good?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, the BPP kit, which is in the soft copy form, I will share this BPP kit, which is your revision kit, as well as study text. We will get a study text, which is your workbook. Okay, study text plus exam kit, where you have passed your question papers. Okay, and practice questions are there. So you will get 2 PDF notes, soft copy, which will be given to you. It will be the latest possible, as I would say, as latest possible. Only soft copies will be provided, which can be downloaded in your devices, and you can refer it for your, you can keep it for your reference. Along with this, I will provide I would say the notes that have been used during the lecture. Example, we have used these 4 slides in this lecture. Example, so do not worry, I will share this in the form of PDF along with each and every lecture. So example, session 1, there will be a separate folder where you will get notes of session 1. Session 2, you will get notes of session 2. Session 3, you will get notes of session 3. Okay, this is how we work. Also, entire BPP kit will be given in soft copy. Talking about physical book. Okay, sometimes students say that there is no competition of physical book. Physical books are the best. Okay, if you think like that, then I'll give you a link. It is there in Amazon also, and there are multiple more websites where you can place your order. But the books, if you order both of them, approximately it will cost you rupees 7,000. Approximately, it can differ. It can be 8 or 9, or it can be 6,500, depends. But approximately, if you order physical books, the set that you will place order for, it gets delivered within next 10-15 days at your given address, and it will cost you approximately rupees 7,000. So I feel like, since this entire exam is online, you have to practice things on Excel, you have to give your exam online. Okay, the entire classes are handled and conducted online. So I don't think there is a requirement of physical book. The maximum that you can do is you can take a print of PDF note, in case if you feel like, no, I want something to keep very handy for revision purpose. What you can do, you can take a printout of the same and refer it for revision purpose. Okay, Chirag, are we clear? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
superb. Okay, Kasim, did I answer your question? Where can I get PDF file guidelines? Did I answer your question, Kasim? Okay. Is there any amendment? I've already answered. Hi, ma'am. Ashwani here. I'm a BCom graduate. Yes. Coming, Pramod. I'm coming to your question. Hi, ma'am. I'm Ashwani here. I'm a BCom graduate. There is any passing percentage criteria for IFRS exam? Yes, 50%. Hi, Sai. Hi, Sai Gautam. Yes, in order to clear diploma in IFRS exam, DipIFRS exam, it is completely online exam. Completely online exam. It is completely online exam. We require 50% to 50% passing marks. 50% passing marks. Completely online exam, 50% passing marks. And yes, just one single paper, one single exam of 3 hours. There will be 10-15 minutes for reading instructions. Let's leave that. One single exam of 3 hours conducted by ACCA. There are many MNCs also who are, I would say, giving DipIFRS certification, but I would rather suggest take tuitions from, I would say, understand them and then give exam, write paper for ACCA, because ACCA is globally accepted. So I generally suggest that conducted by ACCA twice a year, okay, twice a year in June and December. So every year the exams are conducted twice a year, in first week of June and in first week of December. So once complete your syllabus, then there will be some timeline. Example, by end of March you will be required to register yourself with ACCA. By end of April you will be required to book your exam. Okay, for booking exam there are 2 options. Please wait, I'll be answering all your questions. I'm here, I'm not leaving any question. Completely online exam, there are 2 options. Center location.
आपको रोकते हुए ये गुजरी का तालाब जो है ये क्यों फेमस हुआ, जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पे लोग खरीदारी करने के लिए आ रहे हैं? ओके, देखिए,
okay, sorry, center location and remote location. There are 2 options. So when you go ahead and book your exam, there are list of centers available. So if you are comfortable, if it is feasible, then book your nearest center for writing exam. Okay, they will give you can take your calculators over there and write exam. In remote location, you can give paper from any part of the world. So if your job is of traveling, if your location is not fixed, or maybe if you are comfortable with your own laptop and PC, then you can book your exam using remote location. There will be invigilation, strict invigilation, I would say. There are no chances of cheating. So you cannot feel like, okay, let's give remote exam and maybe there is scope of cheating. No, they straight away disqualify. Even if I'm thinking and writing over here and I feel like if I do like this, if I look here and there, then also they disqualify you. Clear? So there are 2 options available while booking exam: center location and remote location. You can choose your nearby location, or you can give your exam from your home location also using your own laptop and PC. It's twice in year, 50 marks for passing one single exam. There will be 4 questions. Each question will be of 25 marks. Okay, that means total 100 marks. It's a completely subjective paper. No MCQs, no multiple choice question, no negative marking. Okay, please ask question if there is any specific pointer that is related to this. Is it allowing yes, we can use our physical calculators. We can use our physical calculators, a simple one without sine, cos, theta. Also on-screen calculator is available on your CBE portal. There is on-screen calculator available, so you can use that. Even if there is spreadsheet available, you can simply calculate in your spreadsheet. Okay, like Excel. Ashwani, BCom, any passing? Ashwani, did you get your answer? I agree, Nikhil. On-screen calculators are difficult.
Hello,
I agree. It decreases your speed. Yes?
Hello, ma'am. I have 49% in BCom and 72% in MCom. Is it
Okay.
applicable for IFRS?
Yes, you are eligible for IFRS. Correct. 100% yes. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
There is no criteria regarding your existing qualification percentage. Okay, no, even if you have scored 33, you just need to pass. If you have cleared your exams, you are good to go ahead and write DipIFRS exam. It will really upgrade your resume. It will really, I would say, open channels for international accounting job roles, because if you know international standards, you are in radar of international companies, because people want IFRS expert. They want that, okay, somebody come and handle our international accounts, because it is really complex. It is really crucial. If I talk about a very simple scenario, there is clerical job. And there is a little crucial job. Students who have done, I would say, articleship, you must be knowing about it, that there are repetitive works like TDS return, income tax return, GST return. Once you have filed it once, twice, thrice, maybe 6 times, you get a master of the same. There is no, you can easily file it, maybe 10 returns a day. But whenever there is a complex situation that comes up, the person who is able to solve that is able to provide their expert guidance on that new type of transaction. That person is considered as, I would say, knowledgeable. So the small crucial pointers make you different. Otherwise, the normal regular task is being done by all people. Even if there is a normal accountant who has just cleared 12, who just knows debit and credit, is still earning well, is doing part-time accounting jobs and all. But if you want to upgrade your, I would say, resume, if you want to, I would say, double or triple your package, if you want to go ahead and work in multinational company, then I think, as per my understanding, IFRS is very good. Especially in countries like UAE, they require IFRS expert. Last time also we had approximately 10 plus students from Dubai. We had students from Nigeria, Israel. Okay, Pramod, IFRS registration fees on ACCA is 3,000 rupees approximately, and to book the exam it is 15,000 for the paper. And registration is one-time registration. One-time registration. So if you register today also, and maybe if you give your exam 1 year later, 2 years later, it's completely fine. There is only one time registration fees, approximately rupees 3,000. Approx. It can be paid using any debit or credit card, international card. And exam fees is rupees 15,000 approximately. Approximately. Okay, approx. Exam fees. And in case if you do not clear it in one time, and if you're rebooking your exam, then this exam fees is required to be paid again. Pramod, are we clear? Coming to our tuition part, I would say share the screen also. Okay, I will share the screen also. Our tuition fees is rupees 15,000. Tuition fees is rupees 15,000. You will get 15 months validity. You will get 15 months validity. Okay, so even if you do not attempt recent paper, you will get access for the video lectures will be there with you, plus 100% doubt solving support. If you are attending live session, then you can ask then and there. Maybe if you are not attending live sessions, maybe because of your timings, because of your work profile, then you can go ahead and I would say ask your questions in the WhatsApp group. Later, after once we complete our syllabus, maybe by March end, then from April onwards, on every weekend, we will have 1 or 2 hour session where we will have one-to-one doubt solving session. Okay, you can ask any doubt, numerical practice, pass your exam questions. Okay, any conceptual doubt you can ask over there. So 15 months validity and 100% doubt solving support along with PDF notes. All notes will be, I would say, shared with you, and you can simply download and keep it in your device. Even if you want, you can get a print for your quick reference and revision. Pramod, did I answer your question? Any doubt? I am picking up. Please have little patience. Okay, Pramod. Okay, do you want any do you have any question? Okay, superb. Sai, I hold commerce degree. Yes. What is your question? Sai Gautam. Passing percentage is like CA. Yes, 50% passing. But as degree based on job are not strong. Sai, we have already had a discussion. You are giving exams for the QuickBooks first, and then go ahead with DipIFRS exam. Lokesh, MCQ or case study based question. Generally, there are 4 questions. First question is consolidation. Second question will be targeted from all the standards. It can be government grant, revenue, lease, taxation, etc. Third question is case study based question along with ethics question. And fourth question is generally where you have to say that, okay, this is wrong, this is right. You have to provide your conclusion and point of view. So fourth question is generally a proper case study based question. Okay, Lokesh, did I answer your question? Ashwani, all good, I guess. Ashwani? Okay, good, good. Ashwani, are we good? 49% in BCom. There is no such criteria. You are eligible for DipIFRS. Okay. Next, Deepak Shrivas, I want to know which is better, DipIFRS or US CMA. Okay. Now, coming to this question, Deepak Shrivas, do you want to go? Are you interested in preparation of financial statements or Vivek, please wait. I cannot give you annotation. I would say I cannot provide this access. Are you looking forward? Are you interested in IFRS preparation, financial statements preparation or audit? Deepak, please let me know. Or are you interested in management roles?
From the scope of course, means according to that, I am looking which is better, which
Okay.
is covering the most aspects of accounting.
See, if I talk about diploma in IFRS, it is majorly about financial reporting, how you prepare your FS. Okay, and even if it will help you in audit also, because audit is what, checking FS. So if you know how to prepare financial statements as per international standards, you can even check. So if you are interested in FP&A role, if you are interested in preparation of financial statements of a particular company, if you are interested in consultancy role, if you are interested in audit role, then I would recommend go ahead with international standards, that is diploma in IFRS. Talking about USCMA, again, it's a single paper. It is again a short duration course, but it is more focused on management style. Okay, managing accounts. It will give you a management, I would say, role. It won't give you any role related to balance sheet and P&L. So you have to be very clear. My first job was related to SAP profile. Okay, wherein I did that job for a year, but I did not have fun over there. Why? The company was superb, the team was superb, everything was all set, the city was good, but the only thing that I was feeling that at the end of the day, uh, it was not giving me kick. Why? I analyzed and I came to know that till the time I don't see debit and credit, I'm not good at it. Okay, I am very good at debits and credit, but I'm not good at SAP. So I left that profile and instead I looked forward that, okay, my inclination is towards balance sheet, P&L and our accounting side. So this is what you need to check. If you feel like, no, my inclination is towards balance sheet and PL, please go ahead with DipIFRS. If your inclination is just regarding management, then go ahead with CMA. One more pointer that I would say state over here, mention over here, US CMA is limited to US, whereas IFRS is accepted in 140, 150 plus countries. So if you compare these both, and if you are right now little clueless about your job criteria, but you want international job, I would definitely recommend go ahead with ACCA DipIFRS. Why? Because you will have opportunity to get jobs in 150 plus countries because you are relevant for 150 countries. Whereas if you do US CMA, you are just stuck for you are just, I would say, ready for US related companies. One more pointer. If you're clear, I want US job, I want a job in US or US based company, then go ahead with US CMA. But if you're not sure about the company, then go ahead with DipIFRS. Deepak, are we good?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, did I answer your question?
Yes.
Okay, superb. Okay, so they go ahead with a wider scope if you're not sure, but if you're sure, you can also specialize in something. But yes, be ready that for next 10, 20, 30 years, you might be, I would say, getting only US based company jobs and all. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Coming ahead, I need this session recording. Yes, it will be provided. It is allowing to use calculator. Yes, it will allow you to use calculator. I also want recording on screen. Calculator is difficult. A recording of the session will be provided. Do not worry. On screen calculator is difficult. I agree. English speaking is essential to get a job for a student. I would say relevantly yes. Why so? Because see, even I am comfortable in Hindi also. I take lectures in Hindi and English also. If you have seen any one or two videos on YouTube, then you must be knowing about me that I speak in English and Hindi very comfortably. मुझे हिंदी में भी बहुत अच्छे से मतलब बात करना आता है, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. But if I have international student, मेरे पास पूरी दुनिया से अगर स्टूडेंट आ रहे हैं, तो मुझे एक कॉमन लैंग्वेज रखनी होगी जिससे मैं उनसे बात कर पाऊं. तो आई थिंक इंग्लिश is requisite when you are dealing in international standards. Nikhil, okay, are we good? See, it is not compulsory, but I think it is a requirement of the scenario. We need to have one common language. Yeah, last time even I have got a very good video today. He cleared his exam yesterday and he have sent a very good video and thanking me and all. But if I play it right now, you won't be able to I would say understand his language. He is speaking English, but it is very difficult to grasp it. So when he was attending the session also, I used to hear it like this. Sometimes I used to ask that, okay, please write it in chat so that I could understand his question. Got it? So yes, it is requirement of the scenario that we need to know a common language, which is majorly and generally English. Okay, but students are also there from India, and I am comfortable with that also. So we have separate batches for English and Hindi. Okay, it will be conducted. I'll share the timings also soon. We have separate batches, so everybody who is comfortable in Hindi language, the syllabus, the questions, entire things will be exactly same. पर बताने का तरीका हिंदी में होगा. जो मैं अभी बात कर रही हूँ उस तरीके से हम हिंदी इंग्लिश का मिक्स बात करेंगे. बट टॉकिंग अबाउट इंग्लिश, it will be entirely in English so that international students from South India can easily understand who do not know Hindi. Okay, are we good? Ma'am, one time registration is 10,000, I think. No, one time registration with ACCA is 3,000. Okay, next, I want to know which is better. I've already answered. No ma'am, thank you. Ma'am, 15,000 is your fees for full ACCA course or diploma? See, talking about 13 subjects, I don't teach 13 subjects. I only teach FR for ACCA. Okay, so it is generally not possible to handle 13 subjects single-handedly. I hope you agree. And students also prefer to get all the subjects under one roof. So therefore, I have had a collab with Grant Thornton and I teach FR subject over there. I also have a collab with Plutus Education. So if you are interested in this, I would say ACCA degree course, you can definitely, I would say, inquire. I'll refer. Okay, you can definitely inquire, understand and register. I will be taking your FR subject because I am expert of IFRS. I cannot handle these many subjects single-handedly. Okay, just to be clear. Talking about diploma in IFRS, it's a single exam. Anybody who is eligible can take this up. I'll also talk about eligibility criteria. Yes, so the 15,000 fees that I'm talking is my fees, but I will be sharing a coupon code right after this and it will be valid till 12 today. In next 2-3 hours, if you register, you will get a benefit of the same. Okay, tuition fees for DipIFRS. This is all for DipIFRS. DipIFRS certification. Okay, diploma in IFRS certification. Talking about, yes, okay, now I cleared DipIFRS. What is the difference between IFRS and GAAP? Major difference. International financial reporting standards are globally accepted, whereas GAAP is generally accepted accounting principle. So local GAAP, example, if you are following accounting standard, okay, maybe it's a small company, it's a private limited company which has a capital of 1 lakh and you're preparing its account and you're applying accounting standards. For India, accounting standards are local GAAP. Ravinder Kumar, are we clear? Whereas Ind AS is IFRS. Ravinder Kumar? Okay, good. So a lot of differences are there. If you compare AS and IFRS, major difference. I would say a very lot of difference. But if you talk about Ind AS and IFRS, they are quite lot same, 95% same. Some carve-in and carve-outs are there that you need to keep in mind. Okay, ma'am, I've paid 10,000 when I registered myself in ACCA. Okay. Did you register for ACCA degree course or ACCA DipIFRS? Nikhil, did you DipIFRS? Nikhil, I'll confirm the same. I'll confirm one more time. Okay. Okay, I'll reconfirm this. Okay, I've got another question. Ma'am, I am a commerce graduate working as a senior accountant with 15 years. Ali says, superb. Now, what will be beneficial to go for certification in IFRS or DipIFRS? Okay, you're working as a senior accountant in which company? Is it a global company or an Indian company? Indian company. Okay. Are you looking forward to work with multinational company? Commerce graduate. Yes. Okay. See, since you have 15 years of knowledge, you have sound knowledge of accounting, I guess. Okay, since you're working as planning to move also. Planning to move also. Move to UAE or some other country? Dubai or somewhere else? Gulf country. Okay. See, talking about Gulf country, Diploma in IFRS certification is widely accepted. Talking about Gulf countries, Diploma in IFRS certification is widely accepted. So if you have 15 years experience plus ACCA DipIFRS certification, it's good to go. Okay, good. Nikhil, I'll confirm your registration fees also. Talking about Priyanka Mathur, what about study material for DipIFRS? I've already told you. The study material is given at Study Hub also. As soon as you register with ACCA, you will get access to Study Hub. Therein entire material is available. Other than this, there are 2 publications. So we will use BPP kit, okay, for reference of concept. And after completing the concepts, we will take questions from both the publications. We'll also take questions from past year exam. So I will provide soft copies along with the, as soon as you register, you will get soft copies of the same. Okay, along with the video lectures, these soft copies of BPP kit will be uploaded. When your lectures will be starting? Yes, I'm announcing soon. Should I have some accounting software knowledge with DipIFRS? Nikhil, you're planning for which country? If you're planning for India, then it's fine. Even Tally and all works. But if you're thinking about Gulf countries, then you need to have little knowledge about Zoho, QuickBooks, etc. Also, what I would suggest rather is take IFRS knowledge in your resume. Update that, okay, pursuing diploma in IFRS from ACCA. This is how you will get shortlisted in your desired companies. In your resume, add pursuing diploma in IFRS from ACCA. This is how you will get shortlisted in your desired companies. As soon as you get shortlisted, okay, therein you can give your interviews based on IFRS. And for example, it's X company and X company uses QuickBooks. Then you can take knowledge of QuickBooks. Example, that company uses any other ERP software. Maybe that company uses Oracle, SAP. Then yes, you can take overview knowledge of 1 or 2 months for that particular software also. Clear? Because there are so many software. How many softwares will you learn? So I think learn IFRS, apply in companies, and if you feel like no, the company, my desired company, my dream company is working with this particular software, take 1 or 2 months, dedicate 1 or 2 months to understand that software also. Nikhil, are we good? Did I answer your question? Nikhil? Okay, good. I want a job in multinational company. Definitely yes. Okay, big fours, big fives are looking forward to take IFRS experts. When your lectures will be starting? Ashish, do you have any doubt? Please ask.
No,
Did
ma'am.
Okay, good. Did I miss any hand raise? Ravinder, in Germany, IFRS is considered? Yes, in Germany also, IFRS is well accepted. Who takes up US GAAP exam? Enrolled agent is one term wherein wherein you learn US GAAP, and they are the one who take exam. Enrolled agent. Before everybody else leave, is it required to register in ACCA first and then register? No, not at all. Okay, Priyanka, no, not at all. Start learning, start reading IFRS. Okay, build your interest. If you feel like no, I am finding it interesting, I am really interested in this. Okay, then you can go ahead and register for your ACCA. Okay, and if you feel now you have completed your syllabus, you're good to go ahead, then you can book your exam. There are 3 steps. You can definitely enroll in the course and go ahead um, with your preparation, with your learning part. Also, giving this DipIFRS exam is not necessary. Okay, it is not that necessary unless you want to upgrade and show it off in your resume. This certification will help you upgrade your resume, but your knowledge will speak. If you have knowledge, sound knowledge of international standards, it itself is, I would say, very much enough. Per paper exemption, see Chirag, talking about exemptions, they give you a combined exemption package also. When you book, not deal, sorry, when you enroll with a very good company, they will give you I would say, a compound package of exemptions. Okay, maybe it will cost only 40,000 to claim all the 9 or 10 exemptions. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear. Okay, good, good. Examination fees, yes, it is the examination fees is there. Ma'am, there are any other exam like DipIFRS short term? There are many exams, US CMA, US GAAP, Enrolled Agent, QuickBook exam, Zoho. So it depends what is your vision, what is your purpose, what is your job role. What will be the last date to register? For June attempt, I'll clarify the date also, but it is approximately end of March. And by end of March, you should register with ACCA, and by end of April, you should book your exam. Nikhil, please unmute and ask if there is any question. I've got one question from Harsh. Is DipIFRS acceptable in European countries? Yes. Okay, Vivek, please ask your question. Vivek, please ask your question.
Hi, ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Please go ahead.
So I am from an investment banking background and into the product control domain. Just wanted to
Okay.
understand how will it be relatable for me to progress in my
Okay.
career path, as I have 3.5 years of experience in this particular domain, and I have a master in commerce as a degree for now and a CA finalist for now.
Okay, so you are CA finalist and you are MCOM student. So yes, you can write this exam. Okay, firstly, are you inclined towards financial reporting?
Yes.
Okay, so if you have a MCOM degree, if you have cleared CA Inter, okay, so you are eligible to take this exam, firstly. And also minimum 2 years of work experience is required. So you have 3.5 years of experience. It's completely fine. Firstly, you are eligible. Secondly, this will help you to shift your job, I would say, entire field. From accounting, from production, you can shift yourself towards finance department.
This is a finance department itself. Product control is the
But you're saying
finance.
that you're saying that it is related to some production management.
No, no, it's not a production management. It's a investment banking control account. Control.
Investment banking control account.
Product
So
control function.
product
basically.
control.
Product control is
Even
product
I
control function. Yeah.
controller, Swati and Vivek. So, Vivek, I mean, reporting and it's altogether different. But yeah, it will be
Yeah.
good. I mean, if you are,
Correct.
if you want to move and looking for. Yeah, Swati, even I had a question. So, what is difference in this certification versus this diploma in IFRS?
Certification is a MCQ course, okay, and and diploma is a subjective course, okay. So if you get certification, it says that you know IFRS. But if you get diploma in IFRS certificate, diploma in IFRS certificate, then it says that you have advanced knowledge of IFRS, because certification is just testing um, objective based questions, overview of IFRS, whereas diploma IFRS will test subjective case study based question, proper consolidation. So certification is little, I would say, in medium level, whereas diploma in IFRS provides and proves that you have detailed and in-depth knowledge of IFRS.
Okay.
Okay.
Syllabus exam will be same. Other than like
for certification, the syllabus is little lesser. Okay. For certification, but for DipIFRS, it is complete IFRS. Okay, all 41 standards with proper disclosures, additional disclosures for accounting for SME, everything is included in DipIFRS. It's like, okay, it's like a bigger subset, and certification course is a subset of the same. Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. Anybody struggling with eligibility criteria? Yes, please go ahead. Yes,
Vivek. Amar, as we discussed, like this product control domain currently which I am into, that doesn't have
Product
direct impact of this particular.
and you are working on product, if I'm not wrong, like FIC or equity domain. FIC or
correct.
equity, right?
Yeah.
If you are into accounting and not in group reports, then and if you are doing like both consolidation of accounting and reporting, then it will be useful. But as for my understanding, I mean, as you said, like all the investment banks, they'll have these two different functions. So control function will be different and reporting will be different.
But you can definitely shift.
So my plan.
Correct. You can definitely shift.
My planning was to do this particular course and shift from my particular domain to this particular reporting domain. So
will
like
add value.
That would be that would be a great. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
We have financial instrument standard under IFRS, which talks about equity, financial liability, when to take to PL, OCI. This is all discussed in detail. So if you want to shift, it will I would say upgrade your knowledge to the same. I've already enrolled in ACCA, and I've also got a student ID. So when I have booked my IFRS exam. Try to learn first IFRS. If you feel like your syllabus is completed, you can book your exam by end of April. I'll update the date in the group also. The last date to register is end of March, and the last date to book your exam is end of April for June attempt. Can I purchase your lectures separately for any specific accounting standard? Generally, the entire package is given. A specific standard isn't available, but we have 1 or 2 standards provided as it is for free also. So you can check that out, Nikhil. Is there any experience format provided by ACCA Institute? Yes, definitely. Work experience letter is provided. A proper format is there. You need to download and provide your work experience in that particular format itself. Okay. Now, we are starting a batch from Monday onwards, from 20th January 2025, from Monday onwards, you will get access to live plus recorded sessions. So even if your time is not suitable, you will get access to video lectures. There will be 15 months validity given. You will be given continuous query support through chat, through WhatsApp group. Also, after completion of syllabus, we will be having live doubt solving session on every weekend. On every Sunday, we will connect for 1 or 2 hours, whatever required. In last session also, we did the same. For every Sunday, we used to connect approximately in the afternoon for 1 or 2 hours, and I used to take all the questions, all the numerical conceptual questions, doubts, and we used to discuss the same. Soft copies of notes will be provided, mocks and past year exam practice will be done, or in the sessions itself, we will be taking, yes, coming ahead, we will be taking CBE, computer based exam practice in the session itself. I'll guide you how the paper seems like, what you need to take up first, how you need to make sure that you are, I would say, answering it correctly in the given response area. Unlimited views, there is no restriction on view. You can view one lecture 100 times also. So there is no restriction on number of views. You will get unlimited views with 15 months validity. You can revisit any lecture anytime, but you will not be able to download the lecture. It works like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar and all, wherein you can save it offline, view it, but you cannot download the video in your device because of, I would say, there are chances of piracy and all. In order to protect the same, the video lectures cannot be downloaded in your device. It can be viewed offline also. It can be viewed in your mobile app. It can be viewed on web, but it cannot be downloaded in your device. Okay, give me a quick thumbs up. Are we good? Till the exam, even after clearing your exam, complete hand-holding support is given by me, okay, individually. Even we do not have collabs with any sort of company, but I do make sure that your resumes are perfect. If you are unable to, I would say, get jobs and all, I try to refer you with MNCs and all, because I have links internally. So I try to refer your CVs wherever possible, whenever possible. Okay, but there is no guarantee because we do not have any collabs. I can just guide you for the same. Okay, there is somebody on
आणखी
unmute.
bottle आहे?
Ashwini, do you want to speak up? Ashwini, do you have any question?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, no
Don't
worries.
have any
It's
question.
fine. Okay, it's fine. Now, okay, the batch is starting from 20th January 2025. In order to complete the syllabus, it will take 10 to 12 weeks. So approximately 3 months dedicated live sessions will be there. You will get access to the same for 15 months. Live sessions will be from Monday to Friday. In English language, it will be from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And for Hindi language, it will be 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. These are the timings. Do not worry, even if you are unable to join in these given time, then you will have access. The same video will be uploaded within next 12 hours of the live session. If you have conducted live session right now, in next 12 hours, it will be uploaded on your learning portal. The classes will be held on WebEx application the way you are right now watching. The classes will be held in a similar way. It's a two-way interaction. You can ask your questions in the chat box. You will get a chance to unmute and ask your questions. Okay, so we are issuing a coupon code. The price is 15,000 rupees, but we will be issuing a coupon code for you for students who are attending the webinar. If you want, you can definitely enroll with us. I'm looking forward to be a part of your learning journey. I'm looking forward, I would say, to help you, to guide you, and to make you IFRS expert. Anybody, any question? Anybody, any question? Are we good? Should I share the link? Okay. Okay, please wait a second. the syllabus, the concepts, the question answers will be exactly same. आप प्लीज अच्छे से देखकर एनरोल करना. अगर हिंदी में समझ आता है तो हिंदी में एनरोल करना, और इंग्लिश में समझ आता है तो इंग्लिश में करना. ठीक है. सिलेबस कंटेंट एग्जैक्टली सेम होगा.
This will be pre-recorded session or it will be live happening?
Sorry.
Will it be a recorded session or will it be a live session?
Be pre-recorded sessions or evening with the one which
No, these
will be
sessions will be live
sharing?
sessions. These sessions will be live session the way we are having right now, and the same will also be uploaded
Live, I
as a
mean,
video
this
lecture.
timing, if you're not okay with this,
Correct.
like,
I get it.
Google,
I get it. I get it. Yes. Many
then
of you
you said
might.
like it'll be
Correct.
got it. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
So you will be having live lecture as well as the same lecture will be recorded and will be uploaded as a video lecture in the learning portal, and you can access the same as at your pace. You can learn on the weekends also. Okay. So generally I get
Thank
queries
you.
and okay, Amar. Okay, good. So there is a link already shared. I will share it in the group also. Please make sure that you enroll with us. If there is any query, please ask. Anybody, any sort of doubt? There will be a special coupon code for students who have joined webinar. We will be sharing it in the webinar group also. So make use of that coupon code before enrollment. Anybody, any question?
Ma'am, let's see.
Yes.
Due to some, unavoidable consequence, we are not able to join this batch. Maybe when is there any next batch coming up? Let's say
Uh,
15 days later, or maybe by mid of February.
No dear. Next batch will be there for next December session. This means we'll be starting next batch approximately in July. So we have only one
Okay.
batch. Try to join.
Okay.
Otherwise, even if you I would say enroll a little later, maybe you attend a little later, so you can take help of video lectures, and simultaneously whenever you get time you can attend live lectures. I only take limited batches because like I give 100%, my 100%. I try to solve each and every query, so it takes a lot of time and effort. So starting unnecessarily like 3-4 batches and not being able to keep up pace with your question answers, with your doubts, okay, so I don't indulge in that. Instead, there is one batch specially for June, and the same will be applicable for December also, but we'll be starting a new batch after July, like mid-July again. Okay, Ashish?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody, any question? Any pointer that you want to ask? Anybody, any question? Okay, I'll be sharing the coupon code soon, within like 2 minutes. Nikhil is unable to connect. Okay. I have a very good video, but I think you won't be able to listen the same. I'll share it in the group. I've got a very good feedback today itself. I'll share it with you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for joining in. I'm really happy that you guys joined in. Yes, Ravinder, please ask. Thank you so much. Yes, Ravinder, please ask. Pramod, I think you have already joined. Bhagyashri, thank you. Can we have demo classes? Yes. Demo classes are also available. Coupon code for new enrollment. Coupon code for new enrollment. Sorry, I missed your question. Coupon code for new enrollment only. Yes, coupon code for new enrollment only. Please, Vivek, go ahead. I missed your question.
Just wanted to understand the exam date scheduling. procedure. Like if we prepare for, let's suppose, 6 to 8 months, and we are trying to give the exam in the month of August or September, so is can we schedule the exam as per our convenience, or is there a specific deadline, like examination deadline, which we will do that?
Correct, correct.
Just
There are
clarification.
some deadlines. There are some deadlines from ACCA. By end of March, you need to book your registration with ACCA. By end of April, you should book your exam seat, okay, for attempting in June. So there are deadlines given, last dates given, by which you can register and you can book your exam. So therefore, by end of March, you should be able to complete your syllabus so that you are in a position to decide whether you can go ahead and sit for the exam or not.
Okay, so generally, when are the exam dates signed on?
When are the exam dates?
Or
it is first week of June and first week of December. Okay. Generally, it is 5th and 6th of June and 5th and 6th of December. So there are 2 dates available. You can book your relevant slot, feasible slot. There are 3-4 slots available. You can book your nearby center also. Even on the other hand, even you can book your remote-based exam.
In a remote-based exam, we are not going to the center, or like.
Sorry, we are not going to get.
To the exam center, is it not an exam center? How does remote exam?
Remote exam. You will get your system checked, and you can give your exam using your own laptop from your home location. Okay, from anywhere, any corner of the world. Okay, you can give your exam. You should have a very good internet connection, and your systems will be checked. It should be upgraded and updated with the specifications. It is given. Those are very general specifications. Your systems are tested, and you can book your exam. The exam will be given using your own laptop. You will get a link to join. You will give your exam, and as soon as the timer stops, it will get submitted to the ACCA. In your remote exam, you're not allowed to use any extra blank paper and pen. You can use your physical calculators, but in your center-based exam, you are allowed to use blank papers and pen. The center people themselves provide extra pen and paper. So you can scribble around, do your rough work over there. Other than this, on CB portal, there are sketch pad available which you can use for rough work. So for practical papers, for numerical papers, I generally suggest pick up center-based exam, because we are very comfortable when we have pen and paper to scribble around to get the right answers. Okay, whereas if we do not have any pen and paper, then it might become little challenging. But for that also, I have solutions already, that when we are practicing mock, practice in a way as if it's a remote exam. You are using your own laptop, computer, and do not use any pen and paper. Try to complete the same within 3-hour timer. This is how you can practice alongside. Okay. Nikhil, clear? Vivek, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay.
Nikhil? Generally,
yes.
which cities are the exam centers? Is it like Mumbai, like 3-4 cities in the town?
No. There is a long list where centers are available. I will share the link also, wherein you can check which is your nearby center. Okay. It can be checked on the ACCA portal itself. When you go and book your exam, you will get, yes, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, everywhere it is available. What's your advice in choosing remote and center? Again, my advice, especially for practical paper, when you need pen and paper, is to choose center exam. But if you are okay with laptops, computers, if you're okay with writing everything in in spreadsheet, then it's fine. You can go ahead with remote exam also. There is no issue, but you have to make sure that the internet connection does not fluctuate. Okay, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai. Okay, good. Yes, I'll be teaching entire DipIFRS from study material of BPP, and we'll be taking questions from BPP as well as Kaplan along with each and every topic, right? As soon as we complete a topic, maybe I'm explaining how do you calculate depreciation on revalued asset. So we'll take 1 or 2 examples where the asset is being revalued, where there are 2-3 cases and you are required to calculate depreciation on the same. Example, you need to calculate employee benefit expense. There are 2-3 cases. Example, you need to calculate share based payment. So for each and every topic, whenever we read it, maybe it can be calculated in 2 manners. So we will take example for each of it. Example, revenue concept. Revenue recognition can be done using 2 methods, output method and input method. So I'll tell you how to recognize, and we'll take examples related to both the methods. So if question say gives you information related to input method, how to apply the same. Okay, so this is how we'll work. We'll pick up topic, we'll try to understand it with the help of example, we'll try to pass journal entry so that we are very clear how this particular transaction is impacting our financials, how is it affecting our balance sheet, how is it affecting our P&L. Okay, I think journal entries are best to understand the financial impact. If you are clear with journal, I think it gives you deep clarity about it. Center based, this ma'am, when we go to give exam in center based, there are too much disturbances of keyboard typing everywhere. I agree. Even the systems provided by the center are not in a good condition, and even you are not conversant with the same. Okay, example, if you use your mobile phone or maybe some other people's mobile phone, it is little difficult. The UI is little difficult, different. It might be little challenging. Even if it happens with calculator also, if you're using your own calculator, your own PC, own laptop, then your pace will be faster, you will be very convenient, you will find it very convenient. But if you talk about others gadget, it becomes little, it takes little time to adjust. So yes, your speed matters. Your speed might differ. So therefore, if you're good with Excel, if you're good with your word processor, if you're okay with your laptops, then you can go ahead and book your remote exam too. It is completely fine. There are many students who clear exams through remote location. There is no, I would say, hustle of traveling to a different city, maybe to traveling to a all new center and using their, I would say, systems. No need. It is all fine in remote location also. Anybody, any question? Anybody, any question? Yes, I'll be sharing the fees concession also. And the videos will be recorded as well as live lectures. Okay, anybody, any question? Are we good? Everybody got all your Ravinder Kumar, I can see your hand raised. Any doubt? Vaishali, any doubt? Vivek? I think Pramod has already joined in. I guess there are 2-3 people who have already joined. Yes. Pramod, yes, we are already there. Okay. Ravinder, have you also joined in? Yeah, I guess you're there. Yes, correct. Okay, good. So I'm happy that you are there. I'm looking forward to see you. Try to attend live sessions as much as possible, whenever possible. In case if the timings aren't feasible, then you can definitely, I would say, watch the video lectures at your own pace and attend live doubt solving session to make sure that your doubts are cleared then and there. Also, you'll get access to a WhatsApp group where you can post your doubts then and there and register. Okay. Thank you so much for joining in. See you inside the course. Have a nice day. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you.